Lajoie leaves it off. Drury shoots. He scores! Well, Jack Drury's 5-game assist streak is now a 6-game point streak. 1-0 Wolves. Back in. Suzuki got it across. Shot saved. Rebound. They score! Nate Soucis makes it 2-zip. Here's the shot. They tip and score out in front. Brett Gallant gets the goal. Here's a chance they score. It's tied at 2. Onstead walks to open ice. Gives it back to Fiktorlansky, looking down low. Richards now done and sprawled out. They score. They got it through. Sawchenko and Cleveland 3 unanswered leads 3-2. Off the stick of Lajoie. Now on net, Sawchenko the save as Christensen loads once again. This time he sends it across. Fiktorlansky. That was a block by Soucis. Back out in front. They score. Gumler was locked up. Ponomarev trying to help out. Stromwell joins the scrum. Lajoie is the lone defenseman on this group, and it comes free. Fiktorlansky shoots and scores into the empty net.